Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY bird feeder. So what you're going to need is some regular school glue. If you have hot glue and you want to use hot glue, you can. You don't need to, but if you do use hot glue, make sure to have an adult or older sibling help you. I have it in a bottle, so that way I have a squirt top, but if not, you could always just use a big gallon and a paintbrush. Then you're going to want popsicle sticks. They can be thick, thin, colored or not. I have some thicker colored ones, but it's totally up to you guys. Then you're going to need string and scissors to hang it up, but they're not totally crucial parts of the project, but you're just going to need those later. To start off, you're going to want to take 2 popsicle sticks, and you're going to want to put a little bit of glue on each corner. You do not need a lot of glue, and you really don't want to waste the glue, so you don't need a lot. Just put a sizable glop of glue on there, and that'll be strong enough to hold it. So then you're just going to take another one, and you're just going to press it down on the corners. And it's going to make a little kind of frame shape, like it's going to make a square. And then you don't have to let it dry until you can go on to the next. And you're just going to keep putting dots of glue on the corners to stack it. Now you want to keep stacking it the way that I have, 2, then 2, then 2, then 2. You can do however you want with the colors. I am an organized person, so I'd like it to have the matching colors, but you guys can totally be creative. Mine is mixed matched with the different layers. You can do a pattern like all blue and then all yellow, or all yellow layer and then all blue layer. So it's totally up to you guys. You can totally customize with the colors, and if you don't have colored ones, you can do regular and then you can color on the top. I'm going to keep going with this for another 5 to 10 minutes until it is about like 1 to 2 inches thick, which doesn't seem like a lot, but it is when you think about how deep you want it to be. Mine's currently like 3/4 of an inch, but you just want to continue until it's a height you like. So mine is about how tall as I want it. It is almost 2 inches, and then you need to close it up. You're going to take your glue and you're going to put it on the smaller side. So these 2 are on top and this one's below, obviously, so you want to put your glue there. Just a decent line across would be fine. And you want to put one on both sides. Next, you're going to take your popsicle sticks and you're going to lay them down across. You can just press them down like this. You don't really need to, just gently. So then the bottom is covered. This is going to be the bottom, and so then when it dries, you're going to turn it over. You want to give it 20 minutes to an hour to dry, maybe even more than that. But once it is done with that, this is what you're going to do. So once it is dry, you can just flip it so it's going to look like this. And then you're going to want to take your thread and you're going to want to get a pretty big piece of it. I'm making mine about 3 feet so that when you fold it in half, it's a little bit like 1.5 feet. And then you're going to take one side of it, and you're going to slip it in between 2 of the popsicle sticks, which can be tricky, and then you're going to pull it through, and you're going to tie a knot, which is just, you take the other side, and you just cross it and put under. And then you can take this and cut it, and then you want to roll it so that this little knot, you can't really see, it's on the inside. And then for the other side, you're just going to do the same thing. And then pretty much you can just hook it and hang it on a branch. You can fill this with birdseed. I don't have any at the time, but I'm going to buy some soon. And you can fill this little pocket, this little, I don't know what to call it, the inside with birdseed. And then you can hang it on a tree, and then birds can come and enjoy a snack. I hope you guys liked this craft. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye!